In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Amazon storefront to your TikTok bio. This is a really helpful setup if you're an Amazon associate, a creator who shares product recommendations, or you just want an easy way for your TikTok audience to shop your favorite items. By the end of this video, you'll have your storefront link right on your profile, ready for people to click. First, open the TikTok app and log into the account where you want to add the storefront. Once you're logged in, head straight to your profile page. You can do this by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Take a quick moment to make sure you're on the right account, especially if you manage more than one. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button, usually located just below your profile picture and bio. Tap on Edit Profile, and a settings pop-up or screen will appear with different fields you can change, like your name, username, and bio. Now, this next part depends on whether your TikTok account is set up as a business account or a personal account. If you have a business account, you should see a specific field labeled Website. This is the best place to put your Amazon storefront link because TikTok will turn it into a clickable link on your profile. Open your browser, go to your Amazon storefront page, and copy the URL. Make sure you're copying the full link and that it works when you paste it into a browser tab. Then go back to TikTok, tap on the website field, and paste your Amazon storefront link there. If you don't see a website field, that usually means you're using a personal account or your account doesn't yet have that feature. In that case, you can still share your storefront by pasting the same link into the bio field instead. Just be aware that depending on your account type and region, the link in your bio might not always be clickable, but people can still copy and use it. Once you've pasted your Amazon storefront link into either the website or bio field, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up or screen and tap Save. Give it a second to update, then go back to your public profile to double check that the link appears exactly how you want it. And that's it. Your Amazon storefront is now connected to your TikTok profile, making it much easier for your audience to find and shop your recommendations.